And your fridge is empty? But even worse, your English is empty too? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn how to order food from McDonald's like a pro.
English by Miko.
Hi. Thank you for calling McDonald's. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Sure thing. Can I have your name and phone number?
Yeah, my name is Alex, Alex, and my number is 5550139.
Thank you, Alex. What's your delivery address?
It's 123 Main Street, apartment 4B.
Got it. Now let's get to the good stuff. What can I get you?
I'll start with a Big Mac combo meal, please.
Would you like that medium or large?
Let's go with large. I'm super hungry today.
I feel you. What drink would you like with that?
A Coke, please, no ice.
One Big Mac combo, large, with Coke. No ice. Got it.
Oh, can I also get a filet-o fish sandwich?
Of course. Do you want that in a combo as well?
Nope, just the sandwich is fine. And I'll take a 6-piece chicken McNuggets.
What dipping sauce would you like?
Do you have honey mustard?
Yes, we do.
Great. 1 honey mustard, then.
Would you like any desserts?
Yeah, I'll have an apple pie. And do you still have the Oreo McFlurry?
Yes, we do. Regular or snack size?
Let's do regular. Go big or go home, right?
Absolutely. Anything else?
That should do it. Wait. Actually, can you add one side salad?
Sure. What kind of dressing?
Ranch, please.
All right. Let me repeat your order back to you. 1 Big Mac combo, large, Coke no ice, 1 filet-o-fish sandwich, 6-piece McNuggets with honey mustard, 1 apple pie, 1 regular Oreo McFlurry, 1 side salad with ranch dressing. Is that correct?
Perfect.
Your total comes to $19.85. It should be there in 25 to 30 minutes.
Awesome. Can I pay in cash?
Absolutely. Cash or card on delivery, whichever you prefer.
I'll pay cash. Oh, and please don't ring the doorbell. My baby's sleeping.
No worries, we'll just knock gently.
By the way, are there any current deals or promotions?
Yes, you get a free small fries with any combo over $10.
Sweet. Add that, please.
You got it.
And what time do you guys close?
We close at midnight, but delivery ends at 11:30 p.m.
Good to know for next time.
All right, Alex. Your order is confirmed. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot. You guys are the best.
We try. Have a great night.
You too. Bye.